Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Desiree with the Typical Budget. I just wanted to drop in, check on everyone, see how everyone is doing. I also wanted to go over my budget by paycheck for the first part of August. If you are new to my channel, welcome. If you haven't already hit that red subscribe button, go ahead and do so. That way you would be notified anytime I upload a new video. And don't forget to tap that notification bell. I've noticed that sometimes when it comes to YouTube, you don't get the email that you should. If you have recently subscribed to my channel, thanks for joining me and thanks for tuning in to another Budget with Me video. As you can see, I kind of spent, a whole lot of money. I mean, just look at all of these stickers. Like, wow, that's crazy. The month of August have been having me to spend a lot of money. Let's check it out to see where everything went. So as you can tell, I did change my budget. I will drop a picture of my previous budget so you can see it. That way you can compare everything. So now the budget that we're working with is $1,922.50 for the income. Of course, when it comes to rent, I did budget for $362, which is the same. So I'm just going to write in $362. When it comes to electric, of course, I did pay the same amount, which was $133. For AT&T, I did pay them $211.68. For LCU, I did pay $7.59, but I also made an additional payment of $11, bringing that total to $18.59. And when you add everything up for that category, which is the main important bills that I had to pay, it was $725.27. When it comes to care credit, I didn't budget for care credit with the previous budget that I did. But since it's due on the 1st, I decided to go ahead and take the money, which is $192.27 out of my health savings account, and go ahead and just pay it off. So I'm just going to put in $192.69. When it comes to emergency funds, on the previous budget, I did budget for $110. To make everything even out, when it comes to the income change, I did put in $211.31. So I'm just going to write that in, 31. When it comes to cash envelopes, of course I did budget for $260, but I spent way too much money for cash envelopes, and I will show you where the entire $284.54 went. When it comes to the sinking funds, I'm glad that didn't change, so it's still $165. For headphones, I did show you all my headphones in the previous budget video, and I did spend the exact amount of $65.84. When it comes to birthday, yeah, I know it's still spelled funny, but that's okay. I planned on spending $200 even. When I went in, added everything up, it equaled to $259. But today, when I went back and actually written everything down, I found out that I spent $282.88. So when it comes to just in case, of course I did budget the remaining amount of money that I should have had in the previous budget, which was $54.39. But when it comes to just in case, which is miscellaneous things I didn't budget for, we ended up spending $538.88, which is way too much money for me. $538.88. Now when it comes to the total amount that was spent for just in case, I will post everywhere that the money went to. Of course, we did buy the warranty for the laptop, which we ended up getting it for 3 years, which was $330, I believe. And of course, I ended up buying essential items like Lysol spray and other disinfectant stuff that I probably didn't need, but that's totally fine. So I will post all of those pictures here so you can just see where my money actually went. I'm not sure what happened, why I ended up spending all of this money, but that's totally fine. It will get paid back. I did order my sister a few things as well, like Lysol spray and Clorox wipes, so she have to give me my money back, of course, but I'll get it next month when I go out of town or when I go home. So I was going through the video and I kind of forgot to show you all where the money went for my cash envelope, so I'm going to do that now. For personal, I did budget for $20. Of course, I've only spent $12.54. For groceries, I budgeted for $140 and I only spent $47.85. For fast food, I did budget for $50. I spent a little more than that, but $59.40 isn't bad at all. For gas, I budgeted for $20 and I ended up spending $32 for a full tank. Now when it comes to out of town, I budgeted for $30, but I should have budgeted for double the amount or triple, because I ended up spending 4 days out of town, so $30 wasn't enough, but $132.75 was, which is way more than I normally spend. I normally spend about $60-$70 when it comes to out of town, but this time I did not. I ended up going out to eat multiple times, which, yeah, that typically happens all the time. But I just wanted to make this video and just show you all where the money went for. Okay, so before I let you all go, I noticed that I did not put the total amount in, so I'm going to do that now. So with all of this, it totaled up to too much money. So $2,466.41. So as you can see, I went over. I'm in the negative so far, but that's totally fine. We'll get it taken care of. And have a great day. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.